got center of gravity and center of mass. Two different things. You have center of mass versus center of gravity. So, if you got a square object, your center of mass will be your COM, will be at the geometrical center. Center of gravity, if you got a square object, it will also be at the same location. So center of gravity will same location. That is if this is a uniform mass, meaning the mass is distributed uniformly in the whole object. For example, you got a, let's say, an equilateral triangle. Therefore, you can assume that it will be at the geometrical center, center of mass. Same thing, you'll be at the geometrical center if you have a uniform mass. But what happens if you got a triangular object and half of this is made of tissue paper and this is made of lead? Where will be the center of mass for this object? It will be at the geometrical center, because this is your center, of mass. But if you got the same object and half is tissue and the other half is lead, you know what is G, okay? You know what is weight. Weight is equal to mg, center of gravity. So what is center of gravity? What is weight? Weight is literally the force of gravity on object. Therefore, if you were to find the center of gravity in this object, can you really say it is at the geometrical center? Not possible. Let's say if this is the geometrical center, the center of mass, your center of gravity will be somewhere closer to here. Your center of gravity will be lower. Okay? They will be in different locations. And the reason why is most of the weight, is it a tissue part or the lead part? It's at the lead part. So it's no longer at the center of mass, or center of mass is no longer the center of gravity. But it will probably be shifted towards the heavier object, which is the lead. So please know the difference. They are two different concepts. From now onwards, we're going to talk about center of gravity because we're under the forces topic. And center of mass, just a reminder that these two are different objects. You also see the two directions given there. So please memorize as necessary. Any questions? Feel free to feedback.